Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Flutter with Google easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Flutter website at flutter.dev. Locate the Get Started section on the home page. Click on the Install button to access the installation instructions. Choose your operating system from the options provided. For Windows, click on the Windows installation link. Download the Flutter SDK zip file. Once downloaded, extract the zip file to a desired location on your system. Next, add the Flutter tool to your system path. To do this, search for environment variables in the Windows menu. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click on the Environment Variables button. Under System Variables, find the path variable and select it. Click Edit, then New, and paste the path to the Flutter bin directory. For macOS, click on the macOS installation link. Download the Flutter SDK tar file. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory where you downloaded the file. Use the command tar-xf flutter_macOS_version.zip to extract the files. Move the extracted Flutter folder to a permanent location. Add the Flutter tool to your path by modifying your shell profile. For instance, if you use Bash, edit the .bash_profile or .bashrc file. On Linux, click on the Linux installation link. Download the Flutter SDK tar file appropriate. Open a terminal and navigate to where you downloaded the file. Use the command tar-xf flutter_linux_version.tar.xc to extract it. Move the extracted Flutter folder to a desired location. Add Flutter to your path by editing your shell configuration file. Next, run the command flutter-doctor in your terminal or command prompt. This command checks your environment and displays a report. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.